Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty, traders. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you about the one stock that I really like. I just need a really good confirmation candle. And I'm going to be all over this like a fat kid loves cake, like white on rice, or as much as I love pizza. Whatever you want to call it. Happy Monday to you, all you guys that are watching around the world. I love Mondays. Market's back open. Anyway, so Goldman Sachs. Goldman Sachs is one chart setup that I really like, and I'm getting ready to you know I want to start to play with it a little bit. I want to start to see what's going on here. So what I'm seeing here right now is pretty much a solid movement. Right? We've had a little bit of a downward movement through here, as you can see, a little bit of a downward movement through here, a downward movement up, and then a downward movement through here, and then we had an upward movement through here. We can see how we actually got, looking at my weekly chart. Let's just bring this over to here. Actually, you know what? Let's go. I'm going to bring up, say, the 1 year view here, and I'm going to go to the weekly chart now. Right. So look at this weekly chart. Right. So we've got this major level of support or resistance through here. And then once that breaks, once this 210 breaks, and as you can see, right, we've got this sort of trend line coming down through here, which is trying to break right now. We're at that level there right now, aren't we? And that's where we're having a lot of problems right now. But right now, what are we seeing? We're seeing a big leg down, okay? Getting a bit of a basing pattern, pretty much sideways. This whole level through here, 210 is resistance. Once it breaks resistance, where's the next major resistance? Up here around 240 to 250. See around there? So it's probably around here somewhere where the market is likely to run to. So okay, so that's the parameters, right? That's the overall picture there. Now I'm giving you the parameters here. I still look for my setup, all right? So there, I see that's what's happening right now. If I go to the daily chart, let me take this off the screen now. Let me just share with you what I'm seeing on the daily chart. So now what am I seeing on this daily chart? Let me open this up just a little bit more. There we go. So what I'm seeing here on the daily chart is firstly this, okay? Firstly, we actually had this move to the upside. So we had a move to the upside through here. So it was actually quite a small move. And then we've had now a long extended period of sideways movement. Not much happening in the markets right now, right? So what do we got here? What is a long extended period of time, long extended sideways movement with small candles? What does that mean? It means what? It means it's generating a lot of fuel, right? Now, that's not always the case. If you have a small run up like here, then you have that, then that's a good thing. If you have a big run up and then you have that, then it's not a good thing. So before this, we had that. Now, what do I see happening here right now? Let me bring in down, say the 6 month view here for a minute. And I'm going to share with you what I'm seeing here right now that I like. Let me take everything off the screen here so I can share with you what I'm seeing here. I want to see if I can, I'll just leave it there. So what I'm seeing here right now is what? Look at this. Market came down. Market ran down through here. It came up. What did this? It created a what? A higher high. This is a higher high. And this could be some sort of higher low here. Okay, with me so far? So we went through this sideways gyration. We ran up, made a higher high. Then we came down. This could be some sort of higher low. Now, what I'm looking for personally is I'm looking for a really good dominant breakout candle. A dominant, not just a little one or not just above average. No, I'm like, something like this here. See this candle here? Right? See this candle over here? Something like that. So a really good dominant candle with a big increase in volume. That's what I need. If I can get something like that where I get a big dominant breakout candle, then I do see this, a minimum target will be at least 230. Right, so up here around, actually probably around that 230 level there. That'll be a minimum target there. So if we got something like this here and we got a big upward candle through there, it'll be a short-term trade for me, but I'd have at least a target of 230, if not above 240, and that'll be the trade done for me. But I'm just giving you guys a bit of a gift here of what I'm looking for, and the setup here. I've been doing my analysis, been doing my research, and this is a beautiful setup here. Now, I actually have my setup here. I have all my other rules in place. But what I'm saying here right now, guys, is due to the fact that we've been on sideways for quite some time, we came down pretty much sideways, then we ran up, made a higher high. Now this could be some sort of higher low. When the market goes sideways, who's in control? No one. When the market starts to make a higher high, and if this is a higher low, who's in control? Buyers. And then the market picks back up through here, breaking past resistance levels. We have a very, very, very high probability of at least getting back up to this 230 level. And if that happens, if we get a big dominant breakout candle, that's what I need for my confirmation candle, right? So I have my setup. Now I need my confirmation candle. If that happens, very high probability of 230 that happening. That could happen in one day. In, out, thank you very much. That's all it takes. But guess what? That could be 50%, 60%, 80%. That could be 100% with options within 1 or 2 days. You see what I'm saying there, guys? So this is more of a shorter term trade because the trend, it's more of a shorter term trade because the trend is pretty much down / sideways, not really much going on right now on that weekly chart. So it'll be more of a shorter term trade where I'm getting in and getting out really, really quickly. But there are trades where I like to hold on for long term, and I use a bit of a moving average for that as well too. So here's a bit of a gift for you guys. This is what I like to see. This is what I'm giving you guys right now. I've been doing my analysis and going through the stocks and the Dow Jones, and I thought, wow, this actually looks really good. So this is a bit of a gift for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you head on down to mastertraderlab.com to grab your free trial to the complete Master Trader Lab. Now in the Master Trader Lab, you're gonna get the complete grab the markets by the balls trading course. This is 12 videos long, chart reading, foundations. We've got 2 amazing trading systems in there and so much more. You're also gonna get bonuses as well too. That's a framework to a successful trader. This is a complete trading course here. Also, you're gonna get the chart reading mastery course and also the chart reading advanced mastery course. And also you're gonna get the millionaire bonus mindset course. This is actually my 7-figure mentor. There's 8 videos here teach you all about the mindset. Plus also there's a massive bonus package there, interviews and so much more in the Master Trader Lab, and I'm giving you a free trial to that right now. So head on down to mastertraderlab.com to grab your free trial right now.